In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add automatic slider image in GoHighLevel website. We're going to use the built-in carousel template inside the GoHighLevel page builder. It's the quickest, most reliable way to get an image slider that moves on its own without code or complicated integrations. By the end, you'll have a clean, looping image carousel that matches your brand and feels smooth on desktop and mobile. Start by signing in to your GoHighLevel account and opening the site you want to edit. From the left menu, go to Sites, then Websites. Choose the website you want, open it, and click Edit Page. This takes you into the Visual Builder, where we'll add the slider section. Inside the builder, click Add Section. A panel of ready-made layouts will appear. Find the category called Carousels or Sliders. This is where GoHighLevel keeps the pre-built slider designs. Select Image Carousel or Hero Slider either works great for an automatic image rotation, and insert the section into your page. If you're designing a hero area, this is a strong choice for the top of the page. Otherwise, it also works well lower down to showcase testimonials, projects, or brand imagery. Now swap out the sample images with your own. Click each photo in the section and upload your image. For a smooth look, try to use pictures with similar dimensions and orientation so the layout doesn't jump between slides. Lighter, optimized files will also help the carousel feel snappy. Aim for clear, high-contrast visuals that represent your message at a glance, since slides change automatically. Next, adjust the slider settings to control the motion. Turn autoplay to on so the images advance without user interaction. Set the transition speed to around 3 to 5 seconds. 3 seconds feels energetic, while 5 seconds is more relaxed and gives people extra time to absorb the content. Decide whether you want navigation dots or arrows visible. Leaving them on can help viewers manually navigate, while turning them off creates a cleaner, distraction-free look. Finally, switch loop to on so the slider keeps cycling indefinitely instead of stopping at the last slide. When you're happy with the images and motion, save the page. Then click Preview to make sure the slider automatically transitions and looks good at different screen sizes. If timing feels too fast or too slow, return to the settings and fine-tune the transition speed. That's it, your automatic image slider is live and ready to impress.